Doctor, something is wrong. I think I'm sick. Do you have fever, cough, or are you just avoiding homework? No, I'm sick here. It really hurts. Oh, that's not sick. That's injured. And also I'm injured in my stomach. Oh, now that's definitely sick. Now what am I? Injured, sick, or walking disaster? Let me make it simple. If your body is hurt, like cuts and broken bone, that means you are injured. If your inside feel bad, like fever, runny nose, that means you're sick. Got it. So I'm both injured and sick. And now I'm feeling deep pain called hunger in my tummy. Then what you need is food, a nap, and a big bowl of fun English lessons with Aarvi Negi.